Last topic of the chapter is the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. Existing socialist parties in Europe did not wholly approve of the way the Bolshevik took power and kept it. So whatever the Bolshevik group they have done so that they can capture the whole power of the Russia, different socialist party did not approve because they were, especially the Bolshevik group, they were torturing the people in the Russia. However, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed like the Communist Party of Great Britain. So in order to fight against the Bolshevik party, different types of people they have made the parties. So one such party is Communist Party, especially in the Great Britain. The Bolshevik encouraged colonial people to follow their experiment. Many non-Russian from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the People of the East 1920, and the Bolshevik founded Comintern, an international union of pro-Bolshevik socialist parties. So in order to encourage the people of the Great Britain, they have used many measures. One measures is that many non-Russian from which are outside the USSR, they have participated in the Conference of the People of the East in the year 1920, and the Bolshevik Party they have founded a body known as Comintern, which was an international union of pro-Bolshevik socialist party. So all the members of the Bolshevik Party they were the member of Comintern. Some received education in the USSR's Communist University of the Workers of the East. So some people who were lucky enough to get the education in the USSR's Communist University of the Workers of the East. By the time of the outbreak of the Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature. So when you can say the beginning of the Second World War, USSR, that is the Russia, was the most powerful country in the world, and it gives socialism you can say a huge importance and plays an important role in the world. Yet by the 1950s, it was acknowledged within the country that the style of government in the USSR was not in keeping with the ideals of the Russian Revolution. So, yet in the year 1950s, it was concluded that the style of government which the USSR, that is the Bolshevik Party, are adapting, it is not according to the rules and regulations or the objectives of the which were decided during the Russian Revolution. In the world socialist movement too, it was recognized that the all was not well in the Soviet Union. So as the people, the normal citizen of the country was not at all happy with the Russian Empire, that means the Bolshevik Party. So all these information spread throughout the country, and they concluded that the people were not at all happy in the Soviet Union. A backward country had become a great power. So once this country was a backward country, but now due to the industrialization and using the different modern technology, it was a great power in the country. Its industries and agriculture had developed, and the poor were being fed. So the industries and agriculture was developed in a huge amount, and even the poor section was given food. Okay, not the proper food, but still the food was provided, but it had denied the essential freedom of a citizen and carried out its developmental projects through repressive policies. So the Bolshevik group they have denied that the individuals freedoms will not be given in the USSR, and even the development of the country was done on a very repressive policy, that means by using the illegal way. By the end of the 20th century, the international reputation of the USSR as a socialist country had declined, though it was recognized that socialist ideas still enjoy respect among its people. But in each country, the ideas of socialism were rethought in a variety of different ways. So though especially in the 20th century, the USSR, that is the Soviet Russia, was regarded as the most important and most powerful country in the world, but and it is also regarded that the people living in the Russia was enjoying all the rights which were given by the Bolshevik party. But we know the actual reality, right? Especially the poor section of the society, especially the peasants and workers, they were affected. So though the Russia was the most powerful country in the world during the 20th century, but the people's condition was worse, especially the poor section of the country, and different country they interpreted the ideas of socialism which were done by the Russia in a different way. And with this we end the chapter.